Hey, that was very funny. Peter's car was in the garage and he never knew that? How's that possible? Yeah, and everybody knew about it and we never told him. I felt so bad for him. Wow, well, on another subject, did you do Mrs. Porter's homework? How was it? No, I haven't done that yet. I think that's too difficult. I'm not gonna do it. But you have to do it. Mrs. Porter's report is really important for our academic register. I know, but my academic record is perfect now. I don't need to do extra homework. Yeah, you're right. You're one of the best in the university. Mine are terrible, very low grades. I have already told you I could help you with that, but your ego doesn't let you improve. It's not about ego, it's just that I'm not good at maths or numbers. I suck at that. Anyway, what are you doing right now? Are you in your house or in any other place? I'm at home now. It's Monday morning and nobody's here now. Everyone is out. Where is your mom? I thought she quit her job last week. Why is she out of home today? Yeah, she quit her job, but she decided to start a new business in the shopping center this week. Oh, that's great. Good for her. She's a hard-working person. I know her well. Of course, her new business looks really well. I am so proud of her. I love her much. Your mom's determination is unique. Mine, on the other hand, is at home all day just watching TV. Oh, but it is because she has to do chores at home. Yours has a talent for taking care of people. Oh, she's a very lovely person. My mom is one of the most lovely people you could ever know. I know her and she's really nice. Mine is a little cold sometimes. She's always busy. Maybe, but I love your mom's attitude. She looks like a strong and brave woman, so respectful. Well, yeah. And where are you now? Are you at your home? Did you go to your dad's? You mean my dad's home? No, I haven't seen him since... Wow, it's been a long time. I know. He has recently got married again, right? Do you already know his new wife? Of course not. I have no intention of meeting his new wife. I don't even know her name. Seriously, so you don't really know your dad's new wife's name? Wow. No, and I don't want to talk about that anymore, please. Tell me about your dad better. Oh, our dads are totally different. Mine always tells me about how he has fallen in love with mom. I know. I saw his post on Facebook last week. It was their anniversary. Yeah, he has always been very romantic with mom. And yeah, it was my parents' anniversary. Wow, I wish I could have a relationship as romantic as theirs someday in my life. Oh, I'm sure you will have that kind of relationship someday. I'm totally sure of it. What are you talking about? Don't you remember the last boyfriend I have had? Yeah, I remember. What was his name? Kevin? Why did you break up with him, by the way? You're kidding, right? He broke up with me because his career was more important than me. Kevin's career? Didn't he quit college last month? Or that's what you have told me. Yeah, it was because his career, which is more important, was not the main reason to break up. Then what happened? You told me you broke up with him, but you never explained me why. It's because I don't like to talk about that topic. But I will tell you anyway, you are my best friend. Sure, I mean, we are best friends and our relationship is so strong that you can tell me. Well, he told me he wanted to focus on his career and that's why we couldn't be together. Yeah, but it wasn't true. I know he dropped out because my mother heard that in a meeting. Yeah, well, he was lying. He broke up with me because he had a very big problem. Everybody have many problems, and we don't break up with the person we say we really love. But his problem was too big. You know what? I'd better call you, okay? So we can talk better. Sure, you can call me now. I'm alone and nobody will listen to me. Don't worry. Okay, I feel better talking to you by cell phone. My ex-boyfriend's problem was a serious problem. You have already told me that. Come on, Susie. You can tell me. I'm your best friend. Okay, he had another girlfriend and she got pregnant, or that's what I knew from his mom. Wait a minute. Your ex-boyfriend's mom told you her son's new girlfriend is pregnant? Well, she came to me because she felt really bad for what her son had done to me. She's a nice woman. Wow, you should have had a great relationship with Kevin's mother, so she can go and tell you that. We got along really well. I used to go to his house almost every day, and we cooked together. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I never thought he could do something like that to you. I hate him now. That can happen to anyone. Now, do you see why I tell you I will never have a nice relationship? But it was not your fault. You didn't do anything wrong, but loved him so much, you get it? Yeah, I know, but it is impossible not to feel bad about what has happened. It was mean to me. You deserve a better person. A good boy who can be romantic and never lie to you. That sounds good, but it is not possible to find a person like that. Well, it is not really impossible. For example, I will never do that to you. You? Of course you won't, because you are my best friend. I know you'll never hurt me, Chris. That's the thing. What will happen if I tell you I want to go out with you today? Well, I will tell you it's not the first time we go out together. Why do you ask that? I don't get it. Susie, I know it could not be right to say it by phone, but I like you. I like you a lot. What? What are you saying? You are my best friend. How could that be? I would like us to be more than friends. I want you to be my girlfriend, Susie. Wow, I'm shocked now. I don't know what to say. Yeah, I'm sorry for telling you this by phone. Can we go out today? Only if you want, of course. Sure, why not? We can go out and you'll tell me more about that. Yes, yes, yes. I knew she also liked me. Yes, yes. I'm so happy. Chris, you didn't hang up the phone. I'm listening to you right now. Oh, sorry. I'll see you later. And take care, Susie. Love you. Now, I don't know what to wear. I also like Chris, but I'm so nervous. What should I do? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.